Justice Rita Ofili has been reinstated as a judge of the Federal High Court by the National Judiciary Council after over 6 years of legal battle with the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC. Hello guys, you are welcome back to Prospect Channel TV. Thank you for always coming out here. If you have not subscribed, please kindly do, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much once again. May God bless you all. Justice Rita Ofili has been reinstated as a judge of the Federal High Court by the National Judiciary Council after over 6 years of legal battle with the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC. In a circular dated December 5th and sent by our correspondent, the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court notified all judges that Ofili's posting takes effect instantly based on the NCJ's approval. Your Lordships are by this circular later notified that at the meeting of the National Judiciary Council held on the 1st of December 2022, the Council reinstated the Honorable Justice R.I.N. Ofili as a judiciary officer. The reinstatement takes instant effect and there shall be consequential posting, the CJ stated in the circular. The judge in question was arrested and later rearrested by the EFCC around April 16, 2019 over criminal allegation. She was in November 2016 charged by the EFCC on an amended 31-count charge bordering on an alleged preservation of the course of justice, unlawful enrichment and forgery. But in November 2021, the Federal High Court sitting in Lagos acquitted Justice Ofili of the money laundering charges instituted against her by the Anti-Graft Agency. The court heard the decision after agreeing that all allegations and recommendations against her by the EFCC and NJC had been quashed by the Coordinate Division in Abuja. Also, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, defeated the federal government as the Federal High Court sitting in Umuahia refused to grant the government's request to transfer the case, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case, to Abuja. Kanu's special counsel, Aloy Ejimako, in a tweet threats that the matter was still ongoing. He wrote, breaking news. The Federal High Court, Umuahia, denies the federal government's application to transfer the extraordinary rendition suit to Abuja and rules that Umuahia has the jurisdiction to hear and determine the suit. Reading of the rest of the judgment continues. Court ruled that the extraordinary rendition is a violation of his fundamental rights. All 7 prayers sought from the court granted, including restoring him to his state of being as of 19th June 2021 and stopping his persecution. The special counsel was challenging Kanu's abduction and extraordinary rendition from Kenya. Reports that the Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja had declared Kanu's rendition to Nigeria illegal, saying it did not allow due processes and violated all known international treaties signed by Nigeria. The appellate court declared that the federal government had lost the legitimacy to put the IPOB leader on trial. The court further quashed all 7 counts of terrorism charges levied against him by the federal government. The federal government has, however, refused to release him, saying he is a flight risk. That is just the reason of this government. This current regime has succeeded in messing up our judiciary system. they have refused to obey court orders and forget that the international communities are watching. It is unfortunate. The Attorney General of Nigeria should resign for misdirecting the country. They have turned the country upside down. In fact, Nigeria has become a laughingstock. It is on record that the federal government of Nigeria, under the watch of President Muhammadu Buhari and Malami, as CJN, has committed multiple contempt of court order. Time is ticking fast. Malami may end up in jail. The federal government should release the innocent man now. Great Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, freedom now. Upon all her reported atrocities, she has been returned to bench, Abi. Why is it that Nigerian government have turned our country like this? Honestly speaking, this is really very bad. I see no nation wholly independent. We need each other in one aspect or the other. Let every willing tribe in Nigeria go her way. We will still need each other. So what else? Time will come like it come unto Pharaoh, and he let the children of Israel go. Time will come as God liveth, and Nnamdi Kanu should be requested to go. Of course, this is expected. With a property worth over 1 billion and over 50 different bank accounts belonging to the accused, all crushed and found not guilty. One nation, two different laws. Who will save the poor? My people, who will save the poor? These are reactions by Nigerians. Kindly share.